A very good morning to all my students. Welcome to online classes. Students, this is your maths period. Students, nowadays we are studying chapter number 9, that is measurement, and we are doing exercise 9th A. In that we have completed question A to question D. So today we will do question E and question F. And also if I have the time, I will start exercise 9th B also. So students, take out your maths book and copy and let's start our maths class. Chapter number 9, measurement, exercise 9th. Now come to question E. How much more is needed to make each of the following equal to 1 kg? Students, it is asking that how much gram we need more to make them equal to 1 kilogram. Now come to first question. 250 gram. Students, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So, in 250 gram, how much gram we need more to make them equal to 1 kilogram, or we can say 1000 gram. So, students, for this, we will subtract 250 gram from 1000 gram. So 1000 gram minus 250 gram. 1000 gram minus 250 gram will give you 750 gram. Students, this is your answer. That means if we will add 750 gram to 250 gram, it will give you 1000 gram, or we can say 1 kg. So students, 750 gram, this is your answer. Understood? Now come to question number 2. 400 gram. Students, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So, in 400 gram, how much gram we need more to make them equal to 1 kilogram, or we can say 1000 gram. So, for this, we will subtract 400 gram from 1000 gram. So, 1000 gram minus 400 gram. Students, 1000 gram minus 400 gram will give you 600 gram. Students, this is your answer. Students, if we will add 600 gram to 400 gram, it will give you 1000 gram, which is equal to 1 kilogram. So students, 600 gram, this is your answer. Now come to question number 3. 600 gram. Students, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So, in 600 gram, how much gram we need more to make them equal to 1 kilogram, or we can say 1000 gram. So, for this, we will subtract 600 gram from 1000 gram. So, 1000 gram minus 600 gram. Students, 1000 gram minus 600 gram will give you 400 gram. That means if we will add 400 gram to 600 gram, it will give you 1000 gram, which is equal to 1 kilogram. So students, 400 gram, this is your answer. Students, question number 4, 850 gram, this is your homework. This you have to do by yourself. Okay, so now we will do question number F. Question F. How many 250 milliliter bottles are needed to fill a 1 liter bottle? Students, it is saying that how many bottles of 250 milliliter needed to fill a 1 liter bottle? Students, in this question we have to find out the number of 250 milliliter bottles. Students, now come to solution. Students, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So, number of 250 milliliter bottles needed to fill a 1 liter bottles is equal to 1000 upon 250. Students, now we will divide 1000 by 250. Students, first of all we will cut 0, 0. So now this is 100 divided by 25. Okay. So 100 divided by 25. 25 4 ja 100. 100 minus 100, 0. Students, so answer is 4. That means 4 bottles. That means 4 bottles of 250 ml needed to fill a 1 liter bottle. So students, 4 bottles, this is your answer. Okay. Students, now we will do exercise 9th B. Question A. Measure the length of the objects and enter the length in the boxes. Students, in this question, we have to measure the length of the object. Okay, so now let's measure it. Students, place your scale like this. Okay, like this you have to place. Okay, so you can see this is 5 centimeter. Okay, so comb is 5 centimeter long. Now come to question 2. Place your scale like this. As you can see, this is 6 centimeter. So pen is 6 centimeter long. Students, question 3 and question 4. This is your homework. This you have to do by yourself. Okay. So now come to question B. Measure the length of the following line segments. Students, place your scale like this. Okay. As you can see that this is 6.5 centimeter. Okay. So first one is 6.5 centimeter. Now come to second question. Place your scale like this. As you can see, this is 7 centimeter. Okay. So this is 7 centimeter. Students, question number 3 and question number 4. Again, this is your homework. This you have to do by yourself. So in our next class, I will start from question C. Okay. Students, complete your today's homework and exercise 9th B, question A and question B. This you have to do in your book only. Okay.